Troublé, Agnès B, and the people who were running Tara. So I got in contact with them, and I told them, you know, I would like to do an expedition around the world to mix popularization of science, environment, and a proper scientific expedition. And after a few discussions, they said, okay, actually when I contacted them, it was in 2007, Tara was still stuck in the ice. They had put Tara in the North Pole, so that it was stuck in the ice, and it drifted across the North Pole over 2 years. So they were not so sure that how the boat would come out, if it would be still in good shape. But it turns out that actually Tara came out of the ice in January 2008, so a little early because of global warming actually, compared to what we were thinking. And because Tara was still in good shape, they decided to go for our expedition, and we started Tara Oceans. So that's how the whole story began. It's a complex history. So the idea was indeed to explore plankton and coral reefs, to popularize science, and to educate the public in general about the ocean. So we started to put together a group of people. So I had friends in marine biology stations in Roscoff, in Villefranche also, in the south of France, and we started to put together a crew of people, a group of people. And as I said, the idea was to do, you know, to study the plankton, but also to popularize science. And Tara Expedition, they are very interested in trying to mix all the time scientists with sailors, with journalists, with artists. So on the boat, we have a mixture, as I said yesterday, of people like this. So one of them, I start with this before talking about science, one of them was Vincent Hilaire. So Vincent studied economy, and then he became a journalist. He worked for the journal for France 3, and then now he's a reporter at TF1. But for 3 years, he spent something like 1.5 years on Tara, not in one go, but he stayed 8 months, so a long time to stay on the boat. And he did a lot of, you know, he was in charge of doing, every day he was writing, doing a small clip about what was going on, about life on the boat and things like this. And in addition to this, there was an artist or somebody that came on board. And I will show you now a little clip he did on one of the artists, a photograph actually, who came on Tara between Buenos Aires and Ushuaia. So this is one of the clips he did many of them.
Il a capturé